everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you could see from my little intro, I've changed the name a little bit. That's because I've decided to change the theme a little bit of my channel. I really enjoy doing unboxings, so I wanted to keep it more on just a general unboxing channel. So I will be doing some of my usual unboxings, like the beauty boxes that I've done and some of the spiritual boxes that I've done. But I would also like to start adding in new boxes as I go along. So if you've got any suggestions for that, please make the suggestions in the comments below and we'll see where things go from there. But in today's video, we obviously have another unboxing. And this unboxing is going to be my first Awakening in a Box Mystic Tarot box. So this is, I believe, $32 per month with taxes or shipping. It ends up being, I think, $35 a month. So this particular box comes in just a plain this here, and you should be getting a tarot deck in each box, and then other items such as crystals, incense, other tools to go along with the tarot. So I'm excited to get into this box. Let's go ahead and get right into it. And let's open it up. I have cut the box only, and I peeked in just to make sure which box it was, but I have not really looked at any of the products. So this is gonna be a blind unboxing. And when you open up the box, this is what the inside looks like. All right, and let's go ahead and take this first item out here. And this is Pyramid Incense Cones. They're hand-dipped natural dye. There's 25 cones. And let's see, it's for light meditation reflection. I think it says reverse karma. Obviously, I can't see very well and I don't have glasses on, so I'm doing the best I can reading the small print, but I think it says reverse karma on it. Let's go ahead and open this up. Spiced, ooh, the spiced pumpkin is supposed to be what the scent is, so that's kind of exciting. Let's go ahead and give this a... Now let me figure out if I'm supposed to just pop it off this way. There we go. Oh, that smells so good. There's just a bunch of little incense cones in there. That is a really, really good scent. I can see myself burning these for more than when I would just be doing like readings and stuff. This is a really good fall scent. So happy for that. Let's go ahead and put this to the side. Then next thing I'm going to pull out in the front here. Looks like it might be a crystal. It's just in bubble wrap like this. And let's see what this is. And yes, it's a crystal. And this is I think it's a tower crystal. But I'm not quite sure what the crystal is. So let me see, is there anything in here that tells me? Oh wait, so there's a card here at the bottom under everything. Let's see here if this tells me what it is. Smoky quartz. So yes, so good. It does come with a card that tells you exactly what it is, and it's a smoky quartz. I release negativity and embrace transformation. This is the Crow Tarot, and this retails for $23. It says paying homage to mystical energy of crows and ravens. Crow Tarot invites us to fly through the veil and connect with our intuitive powers. This artful created 8-card deck is infused with the familiar symbolism of the traditional Rider-Waite tarot, which I'm not really familiar with. Let's go ahead and open this box. And it's got a little booklet in here, which is nice. And the booklet obviously gives a description of what each of the cards are. Does it give layouts of the cards? Doesn't look like it gives layouts of the cards, but you can always look those up online. So it's got a nice little booklet. The artwork is really nice. And let's see what the cards look like. And I can show you what the cards look like. So the back of the deck looks like this. And then, so this first card here is the Fool. I'm not gonna, obviously not gonna go ahead through the whole deck. There's 78 cards in here, but I like the art. The artwork is good. I like it. So it'll be interesting to play around with this. So let's go ahead and put this back in there, and let's get to the other items. So this last item is definitely very appropriate for Halloween. I don't know exactly what it's supposed to be used for, but it's this sugar skull without the colors, but this is really cool. I like this. I like skulls. I happen to be in school for acupuncture, so skeletons and skulls are very interesting to me, and then I've always really enjoyed sugar skulls. So it's a metal little sugar skull. Again, I don't know what it's supposed to be for, so maybe I'm sure just some kind of decoration, but it's fun, it's cool, and I am not disappointed with this box so far. So my first Awakening in a Box Mystic Tarot deck, Mystic Tarot box, was a good one for me. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I will see everybody in my next unboxing video. And again, if you've got any suggestions for unboxings for me, right now I am currently doing Ipsy, keeping my Ipsy. I am also going to be continuing with Ice Cream Beauty. I will be getting a Tribe Beauty this month, but I don't know if I'm going to stay with Tribe. And as far as the spiritual boxes, I am doing obviously this Mystic Tarot deck, and I am doing Mindful Souls, which I really enjoy. So I will continue with those. And then, like I said, if you've got suggestions for other boxes, whether they're mystery boxes or regular subscription boxes, or like a collection box, go ahead and make suggestions below. If it's something that I'm really interested in, or something that maybe a lot of people want to see an unboxing of, then I'll go ahead and give that a try, and we'll go from there. And I will see everybody in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Everybody stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.